Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious here, but I will anyways. Very impressive bounce in this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, but it's been able to fight back to where it has. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But my point here is that from where it was at its lows to where it was able to battle back to, nice solid movement, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 28 cents. Why is 28 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 28, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it just was. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power, genuine strength, or anything like that. Again, to have a price make a great bounce up and then go back to where it was, like I said, just not a sign of true strength. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, bounces around, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, right? It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 28 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to now watch moving forward, going to be right up there at the 35-cent mark. So 35 cents, public enemy number one. But as of right now, nice little bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce and build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.